steaming. To kick out. And I'm meeting my goals. My goal is to catch this thing, and here I've caught it. Wow. That's huge. There we go. Oh wow. And it blew past that fan too. Alright. So I'm very happy now. I finally caught what I was wanting. It's not a full defrost cycle, but it is a great steam show from an Ameristar heat pump that I've been liking so far. But yeah, anyways. Oh yeah, sorry. Let's see if it's snow. As a couple, or Ryan scroll. Here's this thing about to probably go to defrost. It's a 2000. It looks like a 2017, and it's a 3-ton M4HP4, and that's doing well in heat mode. But yeah, anyways, there's a beautiful Ameristar running, and yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.